Greetings to you. My name is Tara Brabazon, and I come with an invitation. Yes, it is that time of the year, colleagues. It is time for the 2025 Whiteboard Soiree, and the soiree this year will be held on December 10, 2025, 10 a.m. in Aotearoa, New Zealand, which is 8 a.m. on the Australian eastern side of the continent. But the reason I've put it on at that time is because it is an international event, so our colleagues from all around the world are so welcome. It is free, it is fabulous, as always with the soiree. Dress with a glamorous air, even if you're in your pajamas. And of course, you can be accompanied by a hot or cold beverage of your choice, depending on your time zone. And of course, when I say time zone, when it's the 10th of December for us on this bit of the planet, it may be the 9th of December for you. But all the details about the soiree will be in the information section just below this video. But some of you may be wondering, who haven't joined us in the past, what is the Whiteboard Soiree? Its goal, its imperative is for all of us to share research planning, to value who we are, value where we are in our career, and to support each other to change the world. One word, one sentence, one paragraph, one paper at a time. For those of you that haven't been at the soiree in the past, you are so welcome. It's free, but it's also incredibly relaxed. It exists before Christmas because it's meant to be fun and light and exciting and open to all of us to express our fears, our worries, our successes, our triumphs, but most importantly, noting what a year it's been, to offer the hand of friendship and support to others, because there's a lot of things I don't know about the world at the moment, but the one thing I do know is the only way we can enliven and support our citizens around the world is by enhancing and increasing the knowledge, the information that is available to enliven citizenship. Let's together make a decision to join, to be our best selves, to value and validate and celebrate scholarship, being an academic in these tough times. And together, once more, let's join and save the world. See you on December 10.